Dear students, now let us move towards the global concept of logistics, that is the global logistics. Our session and the coming sessions would be revolving around the aspects of global logistics. Now, let us first of all know about the eras of globalization. So there are actually three eras of globalization, which I will be discussing briefly in this session. The first era was initially driven by countries 1400 to 1800 seeking material and goods not available in their own land. Globalization या global economy आपके पास जो concept है वो किस तरह बना? First of all एक era है 1400 से 1800 का, जहाँ पे different countries ने जब आपके पास map हो गया, जब आपने mapping कर ली, routings define हो गई एक कंट्री से या एक कॉन्टिनेंट से दूसरे कॉन्टिनेंट पे जाने के लिए, तो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड, whatever the country is not producing or that is not sufficient for that country, they actually tried to import it from the other countries. और उसमें आपके पास material and goods which were actually not available in that country वो import की जाने लगी, खरीदी जाने लगी दूसरे countries से. Then the second era of globalization, which actually started from 1800 to 2000, I would say this was the era for which we have a lot of history. It was driven by companies seeking goods and material, labor, economies of scale and markets. तो पहले का जो perspective था, that was to actually get the goods and material. यहाँ पर perspective आपके पास change हो गया. सिर्फ goods और materials नहीं था. अगर economies of scale achieve हुआ है, तो that means the cost would be lesser. And you are actually looking for labor which will actually produce it at a lesser cost. जिन countries में cost of labor is actually smaller, companies right now we know they prefer to go there and produce their product and then send it back to their country. So assembled in, let's say China, assembled in Taiwan, what is that? That is actually a part of the whole global economy. Or global logistics is actually the thing, जो globalization के बाद it actually came into existence. Why? Because यहाँ पर आपका perspective सिर्फ goods या material को हासिल करना नहीं था, उसके साथ साथ economies of scale को भी achieve करना था और cost of labor को भी minimize रखना था. Now the third era of globalization set to have begun around the year 2000. The significant characteristic is that it is being powered by individuals and smaller organizations. Countries के दरमियान में, the thing which was actually the necessity, now it actually turned into some profit maximizing business or utility maximizing scenario. So individuals भी इसमें involve हुए, organizations भी इसमें involve हुई, and in that third era, actually the perspective changed. यहाँ पर the companies, they started manufacturing their products abroad as well, or they started using the services which were actually in some other country or some other region. So that globalization is the thing which actually is the predecessor for global logistics. Thank you.